Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot find Call of Duty Mobile on Google Play Store for Motorola Moto G53. So to do this, let's open the Google Play Store first and try to find Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no results here that we can download. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings and open Family. Go for parental controls, and now either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games. Then the PIN code, increase PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back and look for the game again, it should be on the top and it's available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.